Alright, so today, guys, we're going to be drawing a dinosaur. I know it's a little complex for how far we've been in this channel, but I don't know, I feel like you guys are ready. Alright, so we're going to start with the head, alright? It's pretty simple. You just draw like an oval with a flat bottom. Oh, shoot. That's bad. We're going to erase that. That's a big no-no. We're going to go to, what is that, marker? Sure, why not? We're going to change the thickness up to 10. It's usually better if you keep the thickness down lower, but for the sake of the video, we're going to make it bigger for you guys. We're going to start with the top of the head, or the mouth, top of the mouth. And we're going to start with a nice oval. All right, and then we're going to have to close it off at the bottom. All right, that's the top of the jaw. All right. So to make the eyes, you want to make just a circle, and then to make the second eye, you're gonna take take off from the top of the circle, and then go over down to the top of the jaw, and there you go. And then you're gonna change your thickness to something, you know, since we did 10 pixels, I'm gonna put 2 pixels, and I'm gonna make the eye right there. There we go. Actually, I'm going to make the dinosaur green. We're going to erase this whole thing because that looks dumb. Alright, we're going to make the dinosaur green because we all know dinosaurs have always been green. It's been proven. Scientific fact. All dinosaurs are green. Alright, so we're going to start off with the top of the jaw with the oval like we did before. We're going to close it off. Alright, and there we go. Next, we're going to do the eyes. We're going to do the circle, half circles. Start off the top of the other circle, half circle, and we're going to change it to black. Lower the thickness down to 2 is too short or too small, so we're going to do it 4. All right, we're going to change it back to green, change the thickness back up to 10, and then we're going to close the dinosaur down. All right, we're going to finish with the mouth. Right, so for us, actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to select this and rotate it. All right, there we go. And then we're going to go back on marker. So to make it look like it's angry, big angry, and it's got big teeth, we're going to have to open up the mouth. It's basically like a less than symbol, you know, because we're smart here on the Why Not Complex channel. All right, so we go back up to marker, and then bam. To make the teeth, we're going to make them dark gray, you know, because all dinosaurs have dark gray teeth. Proven fact. There's 1 tooth, 2 tooth, 3 tooth. They ran out of teeth back in the olden ages. They didn't have enough money to buy teeth. All right. There we go. And then we're going to fill that with a dark gray. We're going to fill those spots. We're going to undo 1 of those, 2 of those. That's fill, right? Yeah, why is it? Why? Please stop. Alright, there we go. Alright, now we're going to close off the bottom of the dinosaur, bottom of the jaw of the dinosaur. There we go. Alright, and of course, got it. You always have to remember to change your thickness back or it's not thick. Alright, so to do the bottom half of the dinosaur, we're going to have to go straight down pretty much, a little diagonal to the left if it's facing to the right. And you're going to make a big belly. Right? All dinosaurs have big belly. Proven fact. Look it up. Alright, and we're going to close off the dinosaur with a little rounded bottom. And we're going to extend that out real big, real long, because dinosaurs all are proven to have real big, real long tails. And then we're going to bring it back. All right, and there we go. And then to close off the dinosaur, just make a weird thing, close up the neck, and there you go. And then we're going to close the bottom of the eye. And then we're going to fill all that with the green. Bam. I don't know why that does that, but you can fix that on your own because you guys are smart people. Alright, so to do the arms, we're going to do a lighter green. we're gonna do one arm. We're gonna fill that in. All right, and we're gonna make the claws. All dinosaurs have 3 claws. Proven fact. Easy dub. All of them. All of them. Not a single dinosaur has 2 claws. And we're gonna make the second arm about the same length. Make sure it's nice and same color, obviously, because all dinosaurs have 2 of the same color arms. Proven fact. Look it up. All right. We're gonna make the claws. 3 claws. All right. Proven fact. All right. And then to do the feet, this is an advanced tactic. I don't know if you guys are ready for this, but I'm gonna show it to you. All right. To do the feet, you have to make them big. All right. We're gonna drag this. How do I do that? And then we're gonna make the feet big and big and tough. Alright, make sure they're big and tough. You don't want them any smaller than that, right? And we're gonna make the second foot a lighter color, just like the arms, because obviously all dinosaurs have 2 different colored legs. Proven fact. Alright, we're gonna do that. And then we're gonna fill that with the light green. All right, there's his 2 feet, and then all dinosaurs have 1 toe. Proven fact. Look it up. All right. All right. So there is your tutorial on the dinosaur. I hope you guys enjoy. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. All right. See you guys. Bye.